Golly, there's something right there, boy. Wow, ooh, what do I got? What do I got? Come here, you, come here. Woo, Lordy, this sun gun's pulling here. What is this? Hey guys, I gotta share this with you. I had a subscriber from my channel come and fish with me, and he brought me this little tool. And if you guys are like me and have a hard time seeing your line, to stick your line through your eyes on your baits, I tell you what, this thing right here is so handy. You just stick it right here, stick it on the jig. It's holding the jig like this. It's got a big hole in it right there. You stick your line through there, let go, and man, it's got it. I mean, it's just the neatest thing. And also, it's got a little blade here that'll cut your line when you're done. You just snip your line. I thought I'd share that with you. The fella that showed it to me, his name was Teddy Barton. I appreciate that, Teddy. I'm going to leave a link in my description of the video here for these. If you'd like to look at one, man, I'd sure appreciate your support. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. Hey y'all, today I got some extremely windy conditions out here. Had a cold front come through. It was 71 2 days ago when I woke up. It was 41 today when I got up. So anyway, got a lot of wind, you can see. I'm gonna get out here with some heavy jigs around this bridge and see if I can catch a few crappie. Hey, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate your support. We're gonna get to it. Alright y'all, what we got going on today, it's cold and windy. It was 41 degrees this morning, 70 degrees just a couple days ago in the morning. I'm gonna get out here and try to catch some on this bridge in this wind. I've got two heavy jigs on here, and I'm gonna troll these jigs around these pilings and see what happens. Real light bite. I got him, whatever it is, I got him. A very light bite. There we go. Not a giant one, but still a fish. Back in there. A lot easier to feel these heavy jigs in all this wind like this. Those light ones, man, they're tough to feel. I got him out of there. Come here, you. Uh-oh, where's he going? Get out of there. And not eating my blue and white today. They're getting this chartreuse and blue one. Come off of there. When they get it, well, they get it too. Not too shabby, considering the day. Let's see if there's any. More down there. There's another one down there too. I'll be dang. There it is, a little white one come out of the same hole as that black one did. On the same jig too. Hey, man, they get it when they get it. golly, boy, as soon as it got down there, boy, he hammered it. Hey, look at here. That's a good one there. I mean, he choked on that thing. Woo, look at that. Golly. That's a nice one right there. Nice black crappie. You let off a trolling motor, man, you blow halfway across the lake. Right now, what seems to be working the best is to drop down right on top of this bar right here. They're sitting right on the top of it and off to the side, but it seems like the fish I've caught have been right on the top of it. Normally, I'd be using like an 1/8 or a 1/16 ounce jig, but it's so dang windy out here. This big one, two big ones actually, and get down there and get in their face. There he is. There he is. And they keep hitting the same one. I might as well take the other one off, I guess. Another nice one. Man, they're not real congregated, but it's kind of like fishing those trees. Today looks like, you know, you just one here, one there. You hit enough of them, you'll catch a mess of them. There's been too many shad around that one. I got him out of there. Hey, what happened? A bass done ate him, I think. Oh, golly. Oh, he let go of him. He let go of him. A big old bass had a hold of him. Golly, bum. Shoot. I wish he'd got snagged in that other jig. Dadgummit. He grabbed him, man, and he was gone with him. Many a big bass been caught on reeling in a crappie that size. There's another one. There's another one. That big old bass ain't gonna try to get him. Come here, you. He's a good one. Another good one. And they are hitting it hard too. Large lip bass on that pole. Oh golly, he come got it. That one come got it. As soon as I dropped it, man. Yeah, hey, he hit the, that's the one. He hit the right color. He hit my old blue and white, man. Yeah. He hit the old blue and white. Get back in there and get bigger. Where he is. There, isn't that crazy? The last three have been on that. 3 or 4 have been on the blue and white. And at the beginning, they wouldn't hit nothing but the chartreuse and blue. When I first got here. Strange. I think I'm gonna go try something else. Alright, I moved to another bridge. We're gonna see if there's any under it still. Golly, I got one that time. Man, as soon as I let it down there, boy, he blasted it. Snugged up against that pole, too. Another good one. Golly, there's something right there, boy. Wow, ooh, what do I got? What do I got? Come here, you, come here. Ooh, lordy, his sun gun's pulling here. What is this? Dang white bass down there. You sorry sucker, you. Son of a gun. He's fun though. Hey, be still. It's funny that they're traveling in ones. There he goes. There he is. Daggone it, boy. There he is. That's a good one. Another nice one right there. Woo, yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good one there. Another nice fish. There he goes. There he is, there he is. Caught him going by. Come on now, get in here, you. There he is, look at there, man. You think he didn't want that? Look at that, look how far that's down in there. Another good keeper fish. Largemouth on the reel end. Hey, silly sucker. Big bass. Hey y'all, if you want to learn a little bit more about using your live scope and you know, catching some crappie using it and some other different techniques, hey, check out some of my other videos. Hey, that's going to do it for today. I didn't set the world on fire by no means, but I did show that you still can't catch them even if it's extremely windy. Sometimes people think when it's real windy you can't catch a bunch, but that's not always the case. You just might have to use a little bigger jig than you normally do. So appreciate you guys watching.